Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 16th April 2024. In this video, let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for daily income trade and hourly income trade. Some of you are having some questions related to the daily income trade and hourly income trade versus the high liquidity zones we are generating in the other report. So I'll give you an overview on that, so that you will understand the importance of these reports. Even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos are available in our YouTube channel. Even I have kept all the videos in a playlist, supply demand zone price action course. I also provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. And from the description, if you click the link, you will get into this page and then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are placed in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. Even I have provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. So please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in that channel. So now let's get into the report generation. So before we generate the reports, please understand the difference between high liquidity zones and these DIT and WIT reports. See, DIT and WIT reports are purely based on bullish and bearish trade setup. That means these zones are supported as per the trend, because you already learned trend is our friend. Until the end there is a bend, right? So currently these stocks, either they supports uptrend or downtrend. Bullish trade setup stock supports uptrend, bearish trade setup stock supports downtrend. Of course, these stocks also support price direction and also the location. That is nothing but curve. So whatever the concepts you learned in lesson 12, lesson 13, lesson 14 and lesson 15, apart from the trend you already learned in phase 1 training program. So in lesson 14, I explained about decision making table for bullish trade setup as well as bearish trade setup. The table should be supported, otherwise the zone may not be working properly. So that's why all the rules in the decision making table, whatever you learned for bullish trade setup and bearish trade setup, all those rules are applied to these stocks. So that's why once you complete the lessons, lesson 12, 13, 14, 15, without completing those lessons, if you are planning your trades, you don't get clarity. So one point I am observing, some of you people are trading without completing the course, which is not recommended at all. Here I am not suggesting you the trades. In this channel, I want to make you an independent trader. You should work on your own. That is the goal of our NeoStock channel. I don't want to give you any trades. And another important point, those who already completed all these lessons and are planning your trades based on these concepts, please try to establish some discussions with the other members in the comment section of this video. Already high liquidity zone traders in the other video, they are all already doing the analysis. They are every day they are keeping some discussions. I have seen around 5 to 6 members continuously they are interacting with each other. If any mistakes any one of those members are making, other members are letting them know. That way they are trying to improve their skills. Exactly the same way, whoever is trading as per supply demand zone core strategy. What is supply demand zone core strategy? The zone should support according to the either bullish trend or bearish trend, apart from the other rules related to price direction and location. So those who are trading as per core strategy, they will be using these reports. And especially these reports are for short-term income traders. DIT and HIT. Whatever the DIT rules you land, HIT rules you land, all these rules our software already having this intelligence. Whatever the rules you land, software knows all these rules. Accordingly, it is generating the reports. So you discuss with the other members, whoever is trading as per daily income trade or hourly income trade. Please discuss with the members, other members. You have a comment section. In the comment section, express your views. And other members also try to understand whether your views are similar or there is any difference. So that way you will get perfection about the trades. Hope you understand what I am trying to say. Please sincerely do your discussions in this video comment section. So that way you people will improve your skills. That way you will prepare better trades. So now let me generate a bullish trade setup for hourly income trade. Hourly income trade HTF is let me start with the daily income trade. Bullish trade setup for daily income trade. In daily income trade, higher time frame is daily, intermediate time frame is 75 minutes, and entry time frame is 15 minutes. Entry time frame is also called as a lower time frame. So that is the reason why I am selecting entry time frame as 15 minutes, because it is bullish trade setup. Entry zone is demand zone, and in bullish or bearish trade setup, in 15 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value bullish. And also we will set 3 filters. First filter, we don't want pierced zones. So the pierced count parameter in 15 minutes time frame, I am setting the minimum value 0 and maximum value 0, which indicates pierced count should be 0. Pierced count 0 means zone is not pierced. And next parameter, zone achievement. It should be violated opposing zone. That is what we discussed in our lesson 20 checklist. And the minimum odd and enhancer score for bullish or bearish trade setup should be 12. So that's why I entered the value 12, and let me filter. So currently these 8 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for daily income trade. See here, daily income trade entry time frame is 15 minutes. And you can look into the search strategy to understand what values, what filters we added to our strategy builder. So I'll be giving you a few seconds time moving to the next report. You need to pause the video. You can go through all these columns, and also you can draw the zones based on leg in, base and leg out candles. If you are not aware of understanding this report, please go through lesson 21.1. Lesson 21.1, I clearly explained the structure of this entire report, all the columns and their values. So without completing that video, it may not be easy for you to understand this report. In that video, I also shown you how to draw zones in TradingView by taking leg in, base and leg out details. Okay, I'm going back for the next report generation. Now let us generate bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. So entry time frame is 15 minutes, but bearish trade setup, it should be, entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, 15 minutes I am selecting bearish. And remaining filters are same. Whatever we set earlier, 3 filters. Zone achievement, minimum odd enhancer score. So let me generate. Now 12 stocks are filtered. Now all these 12 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for daily income trade, short-term income trades. So please draw these zones on your charts and analyze and understand how according to the trend we are generating. See, all these stocks are according to the downtrend. Previous report is according to the uptrend. So that means all these zones are supporting your trade according to the trend. Previous report you will go for long trades, demand zones. In this report you will go for short trades, that is supply zones. So what is that you have to do after drawing this zone? You need to fine tune up to 5 minutes time frame. Because entry time frame is 15, So check your 5 minutes time frame, order flow is good or not. If it is not good, probably the zone will be violated. Otherwise, you can plan a trade. The only thing you have to do, RR is good enough after fine tuning the zone, where you want to place your entry and what is your exit. This is what you have to plan. If you have good RR, probably you can plan those trades. Remaining rest of the things, this software has taken care while finding these roles. And those who want to practice our concepts, what you can do after drawing these zones, lower time frame zones, then go to higher time frame and go to intermediate time frame and draw the zones on your own. You know how to draw the zone. You already completed the course. And in the course, whatever you learn, accordingly, you are able to, everything is available or not. You check odd enhancer score is available or not. Already it is showing you here, odd enhancer score. But you manually try to identify. That way you practice. For practice also, these zones will be helpful to you. Okay, now I am going back. Let me generate the next report, bullish and bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. For hourly income trade, HTF zone is 75 minutes, ITF zone is 15 minutes and LTF or entry time frame zone is 5 minutes. So I am selecting the entry time frame zone as 5 minutes. First we will generate bullish trade setup. So entry zone should be demand zone. And in bullish or bearish trade setup, this time in 5 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value bullish. Next 3 filters we are going to add. One is a P-host count should be 0. So here, but this time P-host count, I am setting for 5 minutes time frame because it is entry time frame. So minimum value 0, maximum value 0, indicates the 5 minutes P-host count should be 0. Next zone achievement we are setting for VOZ, violated opposing zone, for 5 minutes time frame. And your 5 minutes demand zone odd enhancer score should be 12. Now let us filter the stocks. 3 stocks are filtered. Currently only these 3 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup. Now let us generate bearish trade setup. I am going back for 5 minutes time frame. Entry zone should be supply zone because bearish trade setup. And in bullish or bearish trade setup, in 5 minutes time frame, I am selecting bearish. And remaining filters are same. Now let me filter. Now 14 stocks are filtered. These 14 stocks are currently supporting bearish trade setup. So you can plan your trade in any of these stocks. And the final report we will generate stop buffers based on daily ATR. So I am generating, all these are all stop buffers based on daily ATR. This is daily ATR and 5% ATR should be used for daily income trade and 3% ATR should be used for hourly income trade. So let me scroll down this list. First 17 in this are indices, sectorial indices. Remaining all are equity stocks listed in F&O segment. So I will be scrolling down, whichever the stock you want to refer there, you please pause the video. So this is the report. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.